Toyota MMT Semi-Automatic, all models. Initializing, learning, calibration, resetting of the gearbox computer. How to do it, how it working, what going on, with full sound, full description, what the problem can be in this when you do proceed of learning and something not happens. All. So first, before to do calibration, we need to be sure that we don't have active problem, active trouble code. How to do it? Very easy. Turn off the switch, turn on ignition. The red cog light must off. It means it's no active trouble code. Now I'm pressing the brake and it's not on. This must be, it's say all okay, all connected, and we can do calibration. Turn off ignition. You can use bridge wire. It's just a bridge wire from 4 and pin number 4 and number 30. Or by computer, it's fully the same. No matter what the computer. Tech stream, launch, outlet, no matter. So I'm connect the bridge wire. I'm turn on ignition. Don't press the brake, turn on ignition. All lamps will flashing. And the gearbox lamp also flashing. Like this, it flashing no codes. Maybe it will flashing with pause. It means that code, but it's old code. It's code in history, not active code, because we checked before, right? Okay, so now I'm pumping the 7 times brake fast and hold. The computer make 2 beeps, beep beep. It's ready to receive the command to do calibration, diagnostic. We will do full calibration. So I'm going to manual and do minus, going back to the neutral. Silence, it's okay. I'm holding the brake. If you will hear some beeps from TCM, it say that you did something wrong, try again. Okay, now I'm remove brake and press again and hold. The computer did 2 long beeps. Okay, now I'm doing 3 time short or 3 time brakes fast. And after 2 long beeps, we will hear 2 short beeps. Pick, yeah, done. I remove the brake, turn off ignition, wait until the dash will off, yes, removing the bridge wire, and now what will happen? The computer receive command to do full calibration. It will clear all data. It will erase it, and it will record it again about the clutch, about the gearbox, about the clutch actuator. So it will 3 steps. First step number 1, he will pushing or pressing the clutch. Step number 2, he will calibrating the gearbox. And step number 3, he will calibrating the clutch. So if you will stop of one of the step, it say that there the problem. For example, step number 1, how it going? I'm turn on ignition, the clutch actuator pressing the clutch, the neutral disappear, and it start engaging the gears. It engaged all gears, neutral appear back, then we turn off ignition, turn on again, start the engine, and it doing calibration for clutch. Neutral will flashing and light on. It means clutch calibrated, all calibrated with successfully. If one of the step not going, you have problem there. Okay, let's start. I'm turn on ignition. I will know here like how the clutch actuator will working, but it's possible to see. You can make some video with smartphone. we will see the neutral will disappear and gears will start engaging. Come on. Neutral disappear, gears engaging. Oh, it was reverse and neutral appear again. It means the clutch stop point, first point, calibrated. The gearbox calibrated. Now we need to turn off ignition. Wait until dash off. And now we'll calibrating of the clutch. So I'm not pressing the brake. Turn on ignition. Few seconds. Press the brake. Start the car. Neutral will flashing and light on. In this moment, he will find the touch point of the clutch. Yes, done. Calibrated. Working. Now the car need to drive 2 days with on slow motion, slow mode. Why? Because it's fully empty. He don't know how to drive. He will calibrate himself. That's all.